welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are so welcome. So today is actually a fun few day. Today I'm going to be creating content and I want to quickly have my makeup done. I just finished taking my bath right now. It's so cold over here, so everybody's just trying to be very protective and covering themselves so that they can actually avoid this harassment of too much cold. So I want to quickly do my makeup, and I bought a new contact lens. This is the color. It is sterling gray. It's so fine. Have you seen it before? Sorry. So it is so fine. I'm going to be trying it on, hoping that it comes out fine and it suits my complexion. So I'm just going to be taking you guys along my makeup process. This is not a makeup tutorial. I'm not in any way a professional makeup artist. I'm just a girl that can do her own makeup. Sometimes it comes out well, sometimes it doesn't come out well. That's the days I settle down myself to want to do the makeup, it actually comes out very beautiful. But the days that I'm so much in a hurry, it comes out as horrible as possible. So today I want to just do a quick and simple makeup for my video because I want to edit. I want to film a video for both of my channel, this particular channel and my other just channel. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed already to that channel, please do well to support me over there. I do random things. I just gist and talk about anything that is actually trending. So without too much talking and without further ado, let's just get right to this, my makeup process. I'm also thinking of actually wearing a wig, but I feel like my hair is not bad. I mean, when I'm done with my makeup, I feel the hair is going to come out. I'm just going to lay my edges, do some kind of frontal. I think I'm just going to do some kind of frontal, so it's just going to be a little bit presentable, and that's just going to be it. So right now, let's just get right to the makeup. So I'm done with my foundation, just my foundation and my eyebrow. I want to fix the contact lens right now. So this is my natural eyes, and woo! So guys, this is actually the outlook of what it looks like. I know my eyes is kind of blue, not kind of blue. The color said it is sterling gray, but I don't know why it's giving me these vibes. This is not actually what I want, although this one is not actually bad. It's fine, it's cute, but I wanted something harsh. I don't know why anytime I tell the girl to give me a particular color, she ends up giving me what she feels is going to be good for me. I mean, what she feels is going to be good for me instead of giving me what I want. So again, I'm going to be changing this one. This is not what I want. I want gray. So I am going to return this one. I don't know. I would actually give it out and get what I want. Because one thing about wearing what you're not comfortable in is that you would end up not being able to go out with it and be proud of yourself. I want to be proud of myself, and that is just it.
One eternity later.
Oh guys, it's actually not very easy. I've been filming since 12 o'clock. Now it's 11:28. I was actually battling with this my tripod stand. You know, filming when you are alone is so stressful. I kept my table here. I kept the table here, and I kept my tripod on top of that plate there. That's because I'm using a short tripod, so I have to keep it there, come here and sit down and talk, and then go back to watch that video to make sure that it's actually clicking with what I want. So that is what I did for like 1 hour. I was testing the video for 1 hour. Then I finally found a nice spot and I did it. God, my hair is scratching me. But thank God we are done and dusted for today. Thank you, Lord. So I'm just going to go and eat my food and do some other things. So guys, I'm done filming a particular video for this my channel. What I want to do now, I want to create another content for my other channel. So that's just going to be it. I like this thing. This is not actually bad. I just watched my video now, like on this place, and I say that it's fine. It's not bad at all. Tell me, do you like my contacts? Is it fine? Honest reviews only. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. So today is Wednesday. I am going out to, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going out to a delivery. I'm going to Jumia outlet here in Owerri to get some things I ordered. I and my roommate ordered some things. She ordered a bag, and then I also got some things. So that's where I want to go to. So after that, we are going to be doing like gross shopping, just getting things that we have run out of. You know how it is for us students, we are always eating. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I hope to carry you guys along, and I'm hoping that this is going to be an interesting video. So be sure to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Let's just go. We are late already. We are supposed to come back before 6, and the time is currently 2:49. So I have like 3 hours 10 minutes to round up everything I have to do. So is that not Cynthia? So right now I'm heading out. It's me and Grace. You've seen her level on. I say it's too tight, it's too open. Hi guys, so today is our outing day and we are going to Jumia's outlet, pickup shop, whatever, to pick up our goods. We ordered some things. Grace actually, I am Grace.
Hi guys.
Let me show you guys what Grace is wearing. Grace,
You'll be editing some part though.
See what Grace is wearing. Grace is looking pink, beautiful, and classified. and pronounced. So we are actually on our way now. She ordered a bag while I have some, what do I have? A ring, some jewelries. So you guys are going to be seeing that shortly. But let me show you what I'm wearing. Please hold this thing. We're going to that motor. Oh, who's looking at me?
But you're stressing me.
Just up to down. Please. So we just arrived here and we are about to get the order. So today is our lucky day. There are no clients, so we are like the only people here. That's Grace. This is me. That's the person giving us the thing. So
empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
So if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, thumbs up this video, like, share, do all those good stuff, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. show anything. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.